Nature always finds a way, but what happens when the way it finds is no longer natural? In a remote corner of the world, far from cities and highways, a silent experiment has been unfolding. One that we barely notice, yet its consequences ripple through entire ecosystems. Rivers shimmer with a strange, unnatural glow, and forests echo with the sounds of creatures that look familiar, yet not quite the same. These are the mutations, the unintended offspring of human ambition and negligence. Fish with translucent fins that catch the light like shattered glass. Birds with twisted wings that struggle to take flight. And insects, once ordinary, now grotesque in ways science struggles to explain. To the untrained eye, it might seem like a science fiction nightmare, but it's real, and it's happening right now. Scientists warn us, this is not just nature adapting, this is nature reacting to our mistakes. Toxic chemicals from factories, illegal waste dumping, and unregulated experimentation have seeped into the soil, into the water, into the very DNA of the animals that call these lands home. Every mutation tells a story of survival, of suffering, and of consequences we cannot yet fully understand. Local communities speak of creatures that were once ordinary, now uncanny. Farmers who once relied on the river for their livelihood now face fish that are too deformed to eat. Hunters report birds that behave unpredictably, as if the forest itself has shifted. Each encounter carries both awe and unease, a reminder that the balance we take for granted is fragile, and fragile in ways we rarely see. We reached out to experts who have spent decades studying these phenomena. Geneticists describe changes so subtle, yet so profound, that they could alter food chains and ecosystems for generations. Conservationists warn that what we are witnessing is not just isolated incidents, but the early warning signs of a global crisis. Yet, amidst the horror, there is a strange kind of beauty. A mutation can spark adaptation. A creature can survive where it could not before. Life, as it always does, finds a way, but at what cost? When humans play God without understanding the consequences, who will bear the weight? As the sun sets over the glowing rivers, the mutated forest hums with life, fragile, resilient, and undeniably altered. And somewhere, deep within its heart, nature is asking a question we cannot ignore. How far are we willing to push the world before it pushes back? The story of these creatures is more than a tale of mutation. It is a reflection of us, our curiosity, our recklessness, our inability to see the consequences until it is too late. And as we walk away from these forests, we carry with us a silent truth. The world we inherit is the world we shape, whether we see it or not.